to day 5 now. And looking at the bots has not made much money since our video yesterday, and looking at the chart, I can see exactly why. Price is still kind of consolidating here, has not made a move yet, but in the last 24 hours, it's kind of coiled up in this little zone right here. And it's made, there's a little dead zone right here where the bot really can't take an order. You can't really close an order in profit. So there's two things we can do in this type of situation. We can, one, up the maximum order count, so it'll be able to fill in this little small gap and continue making profits throughout the day. And there is another feature I have for situations like this, but I'm not going to use right here, because in this particular situation, since the gap is not that big, what we can do is just up the maximum order count. So I think that's what we're going to do in this particular situation, so the bot can continue taking trades or continue taking profits. So we're going to up the maximum order position from 4 to 5. And so now as price kind of moves down into the zone, it'll be able to take one more buy and sell order in this little gap. So we'll be able to make profits if price continues to stay coiled up in this little zone right here. But yeah, so looking at the history since yesterday, it looks like it still hasn't lost any trades, really hasn't taken any new ones, like I said, outside of these two. So yeah, that's what we do. Up the maximum order count from 4 to 5, keep everything else exactly the same, and we will go from there. So no money made today, no money lost either. So gold's still been pretty flat this week, but with this change, it should still hopefully now continue to take profits throughout the day, even if price stays coiled in this little small zone right here. So we have a completely filled grid, and we'll be able to make price throughout the day as price kind of oscillates back and forth. So that's the plan. So today, really no money made, but no money lost either. So it is what it is. Day 5 in the books. We'll add this change. It should continue throughout the day to take profits. So we'll make that change and we'll see where we go from there. So that's it for today. Take care, guys.